We have some new features, a new playback design for Android TV or YouTube on the TV, more specifically. Do you ever watch YouTube on the TV, Will?
On the tube?
On the tube? YouTube on the tube?
No.
Well, you never put it on the larger display?
No.
Whoa.
No.
That's really interesting.
I mean, I use the monitor, and that's pretty much it.
That's really interesting to me.
Why?
Or do you have no TV setup at all?
I don't really have a TV
Oh, you don't have a TV setup at all? Okay.
No, not really.
You know we got TVs. You can take a TV if you...
I know, but yeah, I mean, the monitor serves me well.
Yeah, a TV setup is a commitment, you know?
It is, yeah.
You set this whole thing.
You got to sit down
yeah.
on the couch.
No, man. Hey, by the way, most people look at the analytics on the channels, how people are watching.
It's all mobile.
All mobile. And then, you know, a little bit of tablet and a little bit of laptop and then all the way down TV. Mm-hmm. However, I like the TV YouTube experience, especially if I'm watching long form, something like this, throw it on in the background.
Yeah.
Do later.
You watch this?
No, I'm saying if it was something like this, if I was watching another long form show.
Yeah, I hear you.
This is all I watch. This is all I watch.
Dark room.
I'm like, what did I talk about again? What did I talk about?
Popcorn.
So I use the TV app, but it's not perfect. It's not as interactive as the mobile app because certain features and functions are not there, or they're not easy to find, or it's just the nature of having to interact through a remote. Or I mean, you can use Chromecast to get it on the TV, and then you still have the controls on your phone, but there's a little lag time from time, and you know. Yeah. So the smart TVs, they're all shipping with various YouTube apps, including, well, Android TV, obviously, if some of the Sony TVs and things like this had Android TV baked in. But I was thinking from the jump, man, there's some improvements they can make here, some more features. Well, if you go down to the screenshots, you'll see what they've done. So if you click the one on the left, behind the scenes, Tony Hawk Pro Skater, you can see you have a really big title, you have your play button, you have a closed caption button, and whatever's coming up next. And that's pretty much it. I guess you can go to the channel, or you can scroll down and see other suggestions based on it. The rework, which people have noticed, if you go to the right here, many more features there. You have your quality setting there. You can add to the playlist. You have thumbs up, thumbs down. You can flag it if it's inappropriate. You can report a bug. And they've moved the title of the thing up to the top, which I like. It kind of gets it more. It's so huge on the old one. It kind of takes up the whole video when you accidentally pop up the sort of semi-menu here. Instead, they moved it up to the top, which I think is slightly better. The other thing it does is it makes it easier to read comments, supposedly. Although I don't know which button is going to help you get to the comments over there. Quicker access to comments. I guess one of those buttons underneath takes you to comments. But which one is it? Maybe the YouTube button. Oh, it's right there. Is that it? Would that be comments to the left of that? I think that's the bug report.
Yeah, that's a bug.
That looks like comments right there. Anyway, maybe there's a way to get to comments now by the looks of it. There's a dedicated button for doing that, which is it's kind of a drawback, I guess, on the TV right now if you did want to read comments. Although, depending on the video, you may want to avoid the comments, which could be a good thing as well. Comments on the TV. Look at that. See, that's a 1 hour piece of content. See, we're not the only ones that post a long form, Well.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Look at those guys. That's us.
Who are you?
I don't know, actually.
This one?
I think I'm that guy on the right, yeah. And I like it. Look at the sign, happy hour. I feel like a coffee right now. Plus, you got Darth Vader. And that's a pretty serious gaming PC in the back. Actually, they're putting us to shame right now.
Yeah.
You see how that goes?
Yeah.
And the microphones. And
seems like a fun time there.
look at them. They're popping up on the brand new app. So good for them.